black woman's illegal voting case back in court after conviction reversal. The highest criminal appeals court in Texas will reconsider the illegal voting charges against a woman whose conviction and 5-year prison sentence was overturned earlier this year. A Texas Court of Criminal Appeals decided Wednesday that it would re-examine the case of Crystal Mason, a Fort Worth mother of 3 who cast a provisional ballot in 2016 and has said she did not know she was ineligible to vote. Her case drew national attention. The voting rights advocates worried about her lengthy sentence despite her vote never being counted. The Tarrant County District Attorney's Office is prosecuting the case and asked the court to take another look at it, 5 months after another Texas appeal court reversed the conviction. The district's attorney's office said in a statement to the Washington Post that it was a chance to review whether the state's second court of appeals misapplied the legal sufficiency standards to review and overturning the conviction. She said, "While I'm ready for this case to be over and for my acquittal to stand, I will continue to maintain my faith that justice will be done," Mason said. In 2016, Mason was a 43-year-old former tax preparer who voted only after being encouraged to do so by her mother. But Mason had recently left federal prison on a 2012 tax fraud conviction. After pleading guilty to inflating returns for her clients. I know a couple ladies that do that. Texas allows felons to vote if they have finished their sentence, including any incarcerated, parolee, community supervised, or probation. According to the Texas State Law Library. Mason was still on community supervision when she tried to vote, the Post had reported.
Well, I mean...
5 years, though?
5 years, man. It's like they broke the lady off who tried to put her kid in a different school district. They gave her like 5 years,
10 years
too,
for
man.
trying to put her kid in a better school. Yeah,
I mean,
years.
like some shit, you're overcharging. I bet you Donald Trump don't get a day for some bullets for all the shit he did, but she got 5 years. 5 years. Doesn't matter if it's her alleged second, whatever, that's why they overturned it.
Because it's 5, think about it, because you got to,
5 years,
bro. Standard across the country, like, especially because it's a federal charge. Voting, so you gotta put that to everybody, and they caught all them people over in Florida double voting and stuff. Like, got slaps on the wrist.
Yeah, I'm just saying they tried to break her off, man, and we all know why they tried to break her off too. Period. You know what I mean? They got this lady right now, and I think she's in Texas right now. They got her for voter fraud. I think she was one of the people who were actually like one of the people who worked for the voting commission over there, something
Arizona,
like that.
Wasn't it? Arizona, yeah. She was manipulating the machines and stuff.
Yeah, let's see how much time she gets for doing that. I think she looked like she was Mexican or something, though. They might try to break her off, too.
She looked, the blonde lady.
I'm not sure. Just the one lady looks kind of older. I'm not sure if there's a couple of them. They've been finding this, but there's nothing, like they're not finding anything major. But this is a Republican. The one I'm talking about,
they didn't even count the lady's vote, and she still got 5 years. I'd be like, oh, they didn't count your vote?
You still got 5 years anyway, just for even doing it? 5 years, man. That's crazy to me. Did she take it to trial?
No.
She probably didn't even take a trial. She probably took the plea bargain. She might have taken it to trial.
They told her, they're like, hey, you take it to trial. Next time you out, we all go be living on the moon.
Hey, they probably told Trump that. He didn't believe it. Now look at it. He about to do no days in jail.
Like, hey, we might be having this conversation in Venezuela.
He's not going to be having no days in jail, man. Along those same lines, they say